guys, we are checking out the Princess Aurora Royal Suite, room 13,000 on a Disney Wish. So come check it out with us. Wow, so first of all, walking in here, it is huge as I can see. And I'm going to show you guys that in a minute. Over here, there's a closet, more closet space. And then over here, there is a, wow, there's a bathroom over here. Look at that.
Huge.
Yep. And then coming out this way, let's see what's out here. Wow, this is really big. Look at the staircase, Aiden. It's like a spiral staircase. And then there's a whole living room area over here. Look at that. I don't think I've ever seen a room in a cruise ship this big ever. There's a whole living room area here. You can sit, what, how many people, Aiden? We can all sit down for lunch here. Yum, 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 yum. Did you know there's a bedroom over there?
No.
All right, let's check out that bedroom.
Whoa, the bed's huge.
It is a big bed, huh?
And the TV.
Wait, but guys, do you see what I'm seeing out there? Come this way, Aiden. I see something really cool outside.
What?
Hold on, come this way.
Is that a pool?
Yes. Hold on. We're gonna do it this and then this way. Wow! It has its own jacuzzi and like its own private deck.
I want to get this water. Whoa.
Wow, this is huge. Look at all this space outside.
Dude, that seat out here, you can like.
Yeah, you can just you can literally sit out here and have like a deck party because of how big it is.
Yeah.
All right, you want to go check out upstairs?
Yeah.
This way, let's go.
Whoa, that's huge.
It
Everything is huge.
Everything is huge in here. All right, let's go upstairs.
Be fancy because of how fancy this place is.
So how fancy do we have? We have to walk up gently and nicely and do my princess wave right here. Okay, so upstairs, there is another bedroom up here. No, I love all the little details that they have in here. This is really nice. And then back here, there's a closet. Guys, it has a walk-in closet. Like, if you're going on a cruise, how much space do you actually need? This is a lot of, this is bigger than my closet. Like, we live in an RV, right?
Yes.
Do we have this much closet space in our RV?
No.
But this room has a lot of closet space. All right, come on.
Whoa, that's one.
And then,
Smooth bathtub.
wow. Wow. Look.
Bathtub is just, it's perfect.
It's what, Aiden?
It's like perfect.
It's perfect?
It looks see-through. It looks like it's flat, but then it's like curvy.
And then what do you think about over here?
Whoa.
Look, there's a his and hers. So this is yours and this is mine.
What? No.
Yes! It has a double sink. Guys, I'm blown away. And then the shower. Oh, Aiden, you didn't notice something. So everything in here is gold. Do you see all the gold finishes? The gold right here. The shower. Look at that. It's all gold in here. Look at the gold.
Gold?
Yes!
That's what
Everything is gold. And let me tell you something that I noticed that's different too. So, look at the body wash and the shampoo and conditioner. In the regular rooms, we have like the regular Disney one, but in the suites, look at what they have. The fancy one. This bathroom is beautiful. I am blown away.
room.
An extra room?
A toilet.
Oh, it's a toilet. It's a toilet. That's where the toilet is. Super foggy and kind of dark. Okay, check this out. See what's gonna happen, guys. Let's find the button. This is the magic button right here. And
It's clear as day.
what happened, Aiden?
I don't know.
So guess what? So when you're taking a bath in here now, you have that beautiful view behind you.
And then when you don't want the view, you can just turn the switch out.
And when you don't want the view, you simply press the button. And look, guys. Your view's gone. Which one do you like, brother? The view or no view?
The view.
But this is one of the coolest rooms and bathrooms that I have seen on a cruise.
Me too.
What are your thoughts?
They're just awesome.
Everything's awesome in here?
Yeah, it's like so cool and smooth.
Really?
Yeah.
So would you like to stay in this room?
Yes.
Well, you better win the lottery because you ain't got that kind of money. But I love it. I love it. It's just absolutely beautiful, right?
Yeah.
High five. All right. Thanks for joining our tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace out.
Bye.
So we finished the room tour and then we realized that we forgot a whole part. So come check it out with us. So over here is like the kitchen area. Look at that. Wine glasses, so much storage space. And Ada, you gotta open this up because I didn't even know what it was. Look at that.
A fridge.
A fridge. It has a refrigerator. And then wait though. That's not it. That's not it. What else, Aiden?
A freezer.
A freezer.
A Sub-Zero
And
freezer.
then what else, Aiden? Down here we've got an ice maker. This is so cool. And then over here, more storage space. Down here, look at that. Oh, the trash can's in here.
Trash can.
Yep. And then more storage space. Right here, this is a really fancy coffee maker. I like it. Looks pretty cool. And then over here, more storage space. What's this way? More storage. Look, there's so much storage space in here. My question is, like, are you moving in here? Like, this, I feel like I could live in here and still have extra space for all my stuff because there's so much storage space. And then one last thing that I know somebody who's gonna really love this. Who's gonna love this, Aiden?
Dad.
Dad!
Wine storage.
The wine to put all your wines in there. How many wines are you drinking? That's the real question. And how much storage space do you need for all that wine? Anyway, this is the last part of the tour that we forgot, and we just had to highlight that because this is really cool. Everything in here is like really cool. Peace out.
Peace out.